Question 4. If alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, find the quadratic equation with these following roots. Okay. So let's split this into old and new. So let's look at the old equation. Old equation is 2x squared plus 5x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, I brought in the 1 here lah. So from here, we can find the sum of roots and the product of roots. So they said the roots are alpha and beta. Therefore, sum of roots will be alpha plus beta. Product will be alpha beta. So sum of roots, the formula is negative b over a. This is our b, this is our a. So negative 5 divided by 2. So we can say alpha plus beta is negative 5 over 2. And then alpha beta, the formula is c over a. So this is our c and this is our a. Therefore negative 1 over 2. So alpha beta is negative 1 over 2. Okay. Now let's look at our new equation, new roots and all the new SOR, POR, everything lah. Okay. So our new roots are this and this. So let's find our new SOR. It will be 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. So 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, we have to make the denominator same. So we cross multiply. This one we multiplied beta beta, alpha alpha. So we'll get beta plus alpha over alpha beta. Or we can write it as alpha plus beta over alpha beta. So alpha plus beta, we got it here. Alpha beta also we have. So this will be negative 5 over 2 divided by negative 1 over 2. Negative 5 over 2 divided by negative 1 over 2. We get 5. Okay. Then we look for our new product of roots. So our roots are 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. So product will be multiplication. We'll get 1 over alpha beta. Then alpha beta we already know it's this. So 1 over negative 1 over 2. Here we get negative 2. So now we have our SOR and POR. We can find our new equation. Okay, let's erase all these. Make it smaller lah. Make all of this smaller. Put here. Okay. Yeah. Let's just leave it here. Okay. So our new equation will be x squared minus SORx plus POR equals to 0. So we know our SOR is this, POR is this. You can just put it into the equation. Minus 5x plus negative 2, which will become negative 2, 0. This is the answer. Done. Next question. Let's make this smaller lah. Okay, I put this here. Right. So let's look at our new sum of roots. So these are our roots. So new SOR will be alpha plus 1 over beta plus beta plus 1 over alpha. So this will be alpha plus beta plus 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. So alpha plus beta, no problem. The one at the back, we have to make it same denominator. So beta beta, alpha alpha. So we get alpha plus beta over alpha beta. Then we just sub in all the values that we know. Alpha plus beta is negative 5 over 2. Alpha plus beta is negative 5 over 2 over negative 1 over 2. Just type this in our calculator. Plus negative 5 over 2, negative 1 over 2. We get 5 over 2. This is our sum of roots. Okay. Let's try to minimize this a bit. Okay. Then we do our product of roots. This will be alpha plus 1 over beta times beta plus 1 over alpha. So expanding this, we will get alpha beta plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 over alpha beta. So alpha beta plus 1 over alpha beta plus 2 lah, basically. Then we just put in this value, alpha beta, into here and here. We get negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 2. Plus 2. Negative 1 over 2. So this will be our new SOR and POR. Okay. So our new equation must be x square minus SORx plus POR is 0. So x square minus 5 over 2x, this one, plus negative 1 over 2 equals to 0. So the whole equation, we want to get rid of the denominator, we can times the denominator lah. So we'll get 2x square minus 5x minus 1 equals to 0. Done. That's it. This is question B. Okay, let's continue. So let's look at C. Our new roots are alpha square and beta square. So the sum of roots will be alpha square plus beta square. Okay, this is a tricky question. When you add alpha square and beta square, we will get alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, I'll tell you why. If you don't understand, basically you can just memorize this one. This is quite a common question. They like to ask this. Okay, so alpha plus beta square will give us, if you expand this will give us 3 different terms. The first term will be alpha square. The third term will be beta square. And the middle term will be 2 times alpha times beta. So 2 alpha beta. So this is what we get when we expand alpha plus beta square. But we only want alpha plus beta. We only want these two. So we have to minus the 2 alpha beta. So here also we have to minus 2 alpha beta. Both sides we have to do lah. So when you minus this off, this one and this one will cancel. So alpha square plus beta square will equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, if you don't understand, you can try to rewind it. Okay, this alpha square plus beta square is expansion of this minus the 2 alpha beta. Okay, this one quite common question, they like to ask this a lot. Okay, so why we have to, okay, you can ask why we have to factorize into this one, because we don't know what is alpha square plus beta square. We only have alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we don't know what is alpha plus beta square. So we have no choice but to factorize it. And when we factorize it into alpha plus beta square, we have to minus with 2 alpha beta, then only we will get this back. Okay, so alpha plus beta is negative 5 over 2. Alpha beta is negative 1 over 2. Minus 2 times this. We get 29 over 4. Then we find our product of roots. It will be alpha square times beta square. This can be written as alpha times beta square. So alpha times beta is negative 1 over 2. So this will give us 1 over 4. Okay, now we can write our equation. This is the general equation. So our equation will be x square minus SOR x plus POR. But we don't like denominators, or we don't like fractions, so we times the whole thing by 4. So this will help us get rid of the denominator. This will be our answer. This is question C. Okay. Then we look at D. Our new SOR will be alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. Okay, to add fractions, your denominator must be same. So this one we times alpha alpha, this one we times beta beta. So we'll be getting alpha square plus beta square over alpha beta. Then if you remember the question earlier, this one, alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. This is the one I asked, I told you guys to memorize lah. Basically, not memorize. If you understand it, you understand it. But if you don't understand, then you can memorize. Alpha square plus beta square will give us this over alpha beta. Then we sub it inside. Negative 5 over 2 square. Negative 1 over 2 over negative 1 over 2. Whole thing divided by negative 1 over 2. So we get negative 29 over 2. Make sure you typed it all correctly. Right, then let's look at the product of roots. So product will be alpha over beta multiplied by beta over alpha. So here we are going to get alpha beta over alpha beta, which is just 1. It's not quite simple. Okay, so I write this here. Our equation must be following this. So x square minus SOR x plus POR is 0. So we don't like fractions. We get rid of denominator by multiplying 2. So 2x square plus 29x plus 2 is 0. Done. Okay, that's all.